Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Harmony One right now. Once again, thank you for your continued support across the channel here. I really do appreciate it, okay? I know things are looking bad for one, but I want to reassure you, you are still in an uptrend, okay? You're still in an uptrend, and I'm still bullish on one, and I'll tell you the reasons why. Most importantly, okay, if in doubt, always zoom out. And obviously I'm looking at the weekly time frame here for one, and look at that, look how nice and bullish that looks. I mean, we've got our target up there for one as well, by the way. That's our target on the next couple of swing highs on the daily time frame there. You know, in this continuation, I do believe that you could potentially look at that future price prediction right there for Harmony One, because don't forget, we are in a bull market. And if you refer to Bitcoin's bull market of 2015 to 2017, you can see, I'll even show you right now, just for clarification, okay, that this is what happens in bull markets. We'll go to Bitcoin, we'll look at the BTUSD. We'll take a look just here, US dollar, Bitstamp. So basically for weekly, on the weekly time frame here, I've already made a Bitcoin update video. For any of you that have not seen it, you can see Bitcoin's got really overextended and it's not come back to the yellow line since October of 2020. Got the bullish cross on the weekly time frame, went up, back tested a couple of times, marched on, got overextended, and now it seems to be breaking down. Everyone's running for the hills, but you know what, if it comes down to this yellow line, that's golden, because I'll show you something. And this is what it does. This is what the market does, okay? People don't realize this. In a bull market in 2015 to 17 to early 2018, okay? This is why I'm giving you this Bitcoin update, because obviously you're seeing things go down, but I want to reassure you that we are in a bull market. We're in a bull market until you paint certain signals, and we've not got those signals yet. So particularly for Bitcoin, that bullish cross on a weekly time frame, went up, back tested. Look where it's back testing. Look at that correction right now. That's a very similar correction to what we've got going on for Harmony One right now. It looks awful, looks drastic. Got really overextended from the weekly. Oh no, collapsing, going to zero. But look what happened. You back tested and look where you bounced off. You actually wicked down to the 55. That would have been awful. People have been running for the hills and selling the Bitcoin. But look where it went to eventually. Look at that. Appreciation, okay? So that's basically where you are of Harmony One. We'll look at back in a second, but you formed a bullish cross on the weekly. You've got nothing but up. You know, you've got overextending. What you're doing, you're coming back down and you're back testing lower levels on the EMAs there. And you can see this particular trend here. Bitcoin went up, tested it, back tested it multiple times in a continuation trend until you fall through the EMAs and roll over, just like you did here. Okay, you rolled over and then you're creating a bearish cross. You are still in an uptrend, my friend, and the trend is your friend. So right now you can see Bitcoin's exactly that, got overextended, rolling over, and you can almost say, looking at that, that's coming down to get a kiss off that yellow line, isn't it? Confirmation of an uptrend, and that's basically what it's looking for, just like it did here, multiple touches, and that's basically Bitcoin explained on the weekly. So right now we'll jump back to one. Okay, so Harmony One, where are we? Harmony One, just there. So you can see how far away the Harmony One is there from the weekly time frame in a bull market. There's your bull market signal, the weekly cross, the golden cross, the bullish cross on a weekly time frame. You've gone up, a little bit overextended, come back down. Look, where did you land on the yellow line? You've gone up, got overextended. Where are you going to land if you do correct and come back down? Potentially the yellow line. Look where the yellow line is. It's creeping up, because obviously as time goes on, this line creeps up, and as it falls back, it gets to test, and boom, away again. You know, and this is what the market does to you. People don't realize this. People are buying up here and they're selling down here. Weak hands get shaken out. You are in a bull market, and this bull market is going to continue for a very long time, because you know, history has a habit of repeating itself. We are in an uptrend. There's more liquidity in this world, and there's a wall of money coming into crypto. Not financial advice and not an exact science, but potentially I want to reassure you that if Harmony was to correct any more, or kind of just get boring and flat and consolidate, then you know, look how close we're getting to this yellow line right now, which is the 20 EMA on the weekly time frame. You know, it comes back down there and gets that kiss off it. Absolute golden. So anyway, that's Harmony One. Not much else I can say other than that, than those of you that are panicking and worrying, it's just a level of reassurance really, just to, you know, kind of hold tight. I don't not necessarily tell you what to do with your finances and stuff like that. That's not what this channel is about. It's basically just a kind of educational thing, that you know, these collapses and these corrections are perfectly normal and part of crypto. I'm afraid it's beautiful when it's going up and it's scary when it's going down, but these are the things that you have to sort of endure, unfortunately. So right now you can see that if Harmony One because a bounce off this particular level of support right now, that would be good, because the pattern that's in play is valid until invalidated away, okay? And at the moment you have kind of got this double bottom kind of pattern on the go here for one, so it's still golden, okay? Again, unless you break that particular level there, then you start to see that major sell off down to there, which obviously if we just targeted is the 20 EMA on the weekly time frame there, and that would be a golden touch if we did actually get down that far as well. But again, if it was to lose this particular level here, you know, that would be a fantastic short opportunity of around 23% there for one. So just a quick update on one. You know, people panicking and running for the hills. I just want to reassure you that these corrections are part and parcel of bull markets, I'm afraid. You know, it's beautiful going up, it's scary going down, but if you just zoom out, you sort of see what's going on, okay? Rest assured, it's perfectly healthy. Potentially, if you could like now make a high low, because at the moment you can see this wick here. This is a high low, right? So you are still making high lows. If you can get a nice bounce here, it looks bad, but if you can come down and get a bounce and start to march on and actually test this resistance level now, obviously you've got your breakout target up there, and obviously if you lose this key level of support down here, you know that you're going to sort of cascade down there to that sort of level down there, okay? And I will drop that level in for you. You would be looking at a bigger sell-off down there to 0.7871, but again, like I've just shown you, that would be where the 20 EMA on the weekly time frame is, but that would be an insane whopping correction right there. From there down to there that's a mega correction there. To be fair, that's a huge 64% correction for one. So do take care, everyone. Stay strong, stay safe, and most importantly, stay tuned, okay? I'll always try and keep you updated and be as transparent as I can in this bull market. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.